I am excited to finally share this video with you. Project management is a complementary discipline that helps you run your projects very easily. And the best part is pretty much all professionals, be it an accountant or a chemist, can benefit from it. So, who is this video for? This video is for you if you want to learn how to manage your projects at work. So, it's applicable to every single professional I can think of. I have never seen any professional who hasn't run a project. It just so happens that sometimes they don't know they are managing projects. So, if you are looking for a simple enough framework to understand project management and implement that at work, then you are in the right place. By the end of this video, I am confident that you'll be able to add project management as a skill to your resume. So, let's get started. What is a project? A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a defined beginning and end, and it's different from ongoing operations. Projects can range from simple tasks like painting a room to complex undertakings like building a skyscraper or developing a new software application. There are several types of project management. Let's talk about some of the popular project management methodologies you might encounter. Waterfall is our classic, step-by-step approach. Imagine building a house. You finish one phase completely before moving on to the next. It's great when you know exactly what you need from the start, like construction or big software projects. Agile is all about being flexible and working in short bursts called sprints. It's super collaborative and focuses heavily on client feedback, so it's perfect for projects where things might change, like software development or marketing campaigns. There are cool frameworks within Agile, like Scrum, which uses short meetings and focuses on quick iterations, and Kanban, where you visualize tasks on a board to keep things flowing smoothly. Then we have Lean, which is all about cutting out waste to maximize value. It's really focused on improving processes continuously. Think manufacturing. Critical Path Method, CPM, helps you figure out the most important tasks that will keep your project on track. If you know what needs to happen first, you can manage your time and resources better. It is great for construction or complex projects. Prince 2 is a more structured methodology that lays out clear roles and responsibilities. It's especially useful for ensuring projects have a solid business reason behind them, like government or large IT projects. When choosing a methodology, think about your project size, how complex it is, and what your organization prefers. Now, before I go further and dive deep, you need to understand something crucial. To run any project, you need two methodologies. The first one is a project lifecycle, and the second one is a project management process. So, take a deep breath and start. Let's start with the project lifecycle. The project lifecycle is the sequence of phases that a project goes through from its initiation to its closure. It provides a framework for managing projects effectively by breaking them down into manageable stages. Think of it like this. A human development is a project. So, your life cycle is first, conceiving, second, birth, third, childhood, fourth, teenage, fifth, adulthood, and the final stage is death. Like this, the project life cycle has also 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling, and the final stage is closure. The initiation phase of a project involves the overall conception and high-level definition of the project, which includes identifying the need or opportunity, setting project objectives and scope, conducting a feasibility study, developing a project charter or initial plan, and securing initial funding and resources. In the planning phase of a project, a comprehensive project plan is developed that includes timelines, budgets, and resource allocation, while also defining tasks and their dependencies. This phase involves creating a work breakdown structure, or WBS, identifying and assessing potential risks, and establishing effective communication and stakeholder management plans to ensure the project's success. The execution phase of a project involves carrying out the actual work by managing resources and teams, executing tasks as outlined in the project plan, maintaining communication with stakeholders, and addressing any changes or issues that arise during the process. The monitoring and controlling phase occurs simultaneously with project execution and is essential for keeping the project aligned with its objectives. It involves tracking progress against the project plan, overseeing the budget and schedule, managing risks and issues, and reporting on overall project performance to ensure successful outcomes. The closure phase marks the formal conclusion of a project and involves several key activities including delivering the final product or service, conducting a post-project review, documenting lessons learned, releasing resources, and officially closing the project. Understanding the project life cycle enables project managers and teams to effectively organize and manage their work, track progress, identify potential issues early, ensure timely and budget-compliant project completion, and deliver successful outcomes. I hope you understand the project life cycle very well.